The Kolkata Metro was India's first underground metro system. It was planned in the 1920s, but construction began in the 1970s. The first underground stretch opened in 1984, and Line 2, also known as the East-West Corridor, opened in 2020. The Kolkata Metro Rail Corporation is its sole operator with ownership underlying to the Ministry of Railway, while Rail Vikas Nigam Limited oversees its overall execution. The Indian government has proposed a network of 6 lines at a cost of 47,523.8 crores. In response to the challenge of nourishing public transport-oriented transit and the expectation and demand of the people by providing fast, reliable, safe and modern mass transportation mode, the Union Railway Minister announced the addition of new lines from New Garia to Joka, Dakshineshwar, Barakpur, Barsat and the NSCBI Airport in the 2010-11 railway budget.
They have been very prestigious partners with us like L&T, FCONS, ITD, Rahi, GPT, Simplex and further electrical agencies like Siemens and Nixon. And we have also learned from them and they have also learned from us how to overcome the challenges and work in a very big way in the safe manner and with best quality.
For such a prestigious project like Kolkata Metro, highly efficient and cutting-edge technologies are used by the contractors.
Kolkata, the soil is absolutely soft soil, alluvium soil, silt content and sand content at some of the locations very high, water table are very high. So to take care of any unwanted situation, we have to have some additional grout ports in the TBM machine for injection of the PU grout if required.
Particularly in Noapada Dakshineshwar project, there for the first time in any metro, ballastless track has been laid on embankment. This has been done, the sleepers for this particular portion where the ballastless track is laid on embankment, that has been manufactured in one single plant which is approved, which is at Madhya Pradesh. So the sleepers were transported from Madhya Pradesh to Kolkata.
The Kolkata Metro project has not been an easy one. It involved the contractors overcoming a number of substantial challenges.
Kolkata city is the only city or state actually who has conceived metro actually in 1984. But after that actually the metro works in the city came very late. By the time the city has developed a lot.
The basic challenge, Kolkata is an old city, so whatever stations we have constructed, mainly full bagan, there was hardly space available beside the station. So for any underground station, we need to do diaphragm wall first, a deep concrete wall. And for doing that wall, we have to dismantle some of the sunsets of the adjacent buildings. So you can easily understand how close we worked.
Now in Kolkata, there are some additional challenges because they have a ban on vehicle movement during daytime. Now section vehicles are not allowed to move during daytime. So that makes it a bit more difficult because even you can't do even the preparatory works during daytime. So somehow that makes it difficult. Then again, the second challenge, as I mentioned earlier also, is making good all the deficiencies because this is almost the last leg. All the civil structure, viaduct, embankment, station, they are all constructed ultimately for track construction and other system providers. We have to take care of all those whatever deficiencies have crept in, they have to be adjusted in the track.
Upon completion, the East-West Metro line will run from Salt Lake's Sector 5 to Howrah Maidan, which is a stretch of 16.60 kilometers and will be India's first underwater metro line.
See, the first Rail examination project, whatever we got, it's a DMRC, Delhi Metro. That project was taken in with our parent company in a joint venture. And basically the TBM tunneling was done by them. Now we learned there how to do this TBM tunneling, this, that, etc. And then this Kolkata project, the Indian team have done it successfully. What we have learned in DMRC under our parent company, and this experience we have used here and we have successfully completed this tunneling work.
Well, it's a matter of great pride for Rahi Group and all its employees to be able to contribute to the very, very critical need of mobility for the residents of Kolkata.